Good day. High on real estate. Let's do a market update. So, a lot of people have been talking to me about the bank fallouts. Silicon Valley Bank right in our backyard, and we also have Credit Suisse and then Signature Bank. A couple of other banks are probably going to be falling out in the next couple of months. So we're going to see a lot of issues coming up in the banking, market or banking industry. What that's going to do housing, well, that will directly affect the mortgage market. I see over the next 6 months, mortgage market tightening a lot in terms of restrictions, what they will lend. Um, Over the last 8 months, we've actually had, doubling of our interest rates, from 3.5% to now 6, 7%. And that has definitely affected the mortgage market a little bit and affected the housing market a lot, where we've had about a 10% drop overall. Specifically in Silicon Valley, we've only had about a 5% drop. But that will probably affect us further because as mortgages tighten in terms of the restrictions, what banks will lend, credit score, credit worthiness, things like that, that will definitely affect what will be out there in terms of availability to, buyers. As buyers dwindle because mortgages are harder to get, supply will probably increase and we'll see some more softening, which is something I predicted. We'll probably see another 5% drop in the Silicon Valley, maybe another 10, 15 drop, nationally. But we are going to see some softening over the next 6 months to a year in mortgages as well as housing. So today, if you're already locked into a mortgage or you're pre-qualified, pre-approved, you're in good shape. Those regulations aren't going to be tightening for another few months. So if you're looking to buy a home today, even though the market may be a little, higher than you think it will be in the next 6 months, the opportunities are still there to purchase because your credit worthiness. So kind of look at your score, look at your situation. If you're kind of in that, you barely got a mortgage, just qualified, you're kind of hanging on by a shoestring, buy now, buy before the banks start really limiting the mortgages and really starting to tighten down on restrictions. If you have great credit worthiness, you've got a score of 800, you're well qualified, lots of funds, great, down payment, you'll be fine. You'll be fine now. You'll be fine in 6 months. You'll be fine in a year. So maybe hold on. But every situation is different. Every one situation is different. So kind of look at your situation, talk to your loan officers, talk to your, realtors, figure out where you are personally and kind of go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching High on Real Estate. Another great market update. Hope to see you soon. All right. Goodbye.